Boneless chicken ½ kilograms. Medium-sized onions 2. Ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Handful of fresh coriander leaves. Handful of fresh curry leaves. Fresh green chilies 5. 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Table salt as per your taste. 2 teaspoons of shajira. 1 ladle full of cooking oil. Peppercorns 15 to 20. Cardamom 4. Cloves 10. Dry chilies 5. 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Bay leaves 2. Cinnamon sticks 4. 3 teaspoons of coriander seeds. Add all the spices and make it fine powder in a mixer jar. Keep aside. Wash the chicken. Keep it aside. Take 3 glasses of water in a kadai and add 2 or 3 teaspoons salt. Add grounded masala, 2 teaspoons, then switch on the flame and let the water boil for 10 to 15 minutes. Add the washed raw chicken once to the boiling water. Let it cook for 80 to 90%. Once the chicken is cooked well enough, then switch off the flame and strain the chicken pieces using a strainer. Keep the strained chicken stock safe aside. Do not throw it, we need it later for our recipe. Switch on the flame and place a kadai on it. Add 1 ladle full of oil and heat it for 2 minutes. Add 2 teaspoons of shajira, sliced onions, green chilies, and handful of curry leaves. Fry until the onions turn brown in color on a medium flame. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and sauté for 1 minute until it mixes well on a medium flame. Add 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. Mix it, then add the boiled chicken pieces. Add 1 teaspoon of grounded masala and mix well and cook for 15 to 20 minutes on a medium flame. Stir occasionally. When chicken is fully cooked, add 1 more spoon of masala powder and mix it well. Finally, add handful of coriander leaves and switch off the flame, and the chicken fry is ready. Keep it aside. Now we will start the preparation of biryani rice.